Open the Roblox website or app, go to the side menu, and select More. Tap Communities, then at the top click Create Community. In the name box, enter a name for your community. I'll call mine Test. Add a description if you like, this is optional, but recommended. Under Emblem, click Select an image from your computer, choose the image you want, and click Open. Scroll to Settings and decide who can join. Choose Anyone can join for an open community. Choose Manual Approval if it's just for friends. You'll need 100 Robux to create the community. Double-check your details, then click the 100 Robux button and select Purchase to confirm. After it's created, open the side menu again, tap the 3 dots, and select Configure Community to adjust settings anytime. That's it, you've successfully created a Roblox community. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.